Here at Craft UXD, we have been busy trying to understand how to bring static icons to life in Storyline. Let me preview this, show you what we did. The icons are smoothly animated, and we have a small prompt encouraging users to click each one for audio. On hover, a cool effect appears, and on click, the audio plays. Additionally, we've implemented a freeze frame that halts the animation completely, breaking the loop permanently. This is what engaging icons are all about. Let me show you the amazing assortment we have for you. These icons come in black, meaning they are transparent and can be overlaid on your branded background color. Carefully look at the detail we added into these guys. They also come with a white outline, crisp and completely transparent, something a GIF kind of struggles with. Let me show you a quick comparison between GIF and APNG to illustrate what I mean here. Okay, I'm in After Effects with a stash of cash. We all need some cash, right? Anyway, don't worry about what I'm doing here. I just want to render my APNG. Then in Photoshop, render me a GIF, and off we go to Storyline. Now let me first import these two animations, then quickly arrange and label them against each other. And then let's publish and see how APNG fares to GIF. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, for those wondering what an APNG file is, it was created in 2004 by Mozilla developers as a high-quality animated alternative to GIFs. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let me zoom in some little here. Can you see what I mean? Obviously, the edges are breaking apart, rough and not as sharp compared to the APNG. Let me zoom in again here. Hope you, can see what I mean. That's why we choose the APNG format for Storyline. I hope this short tutorial has been helpful. Check out our collection of these cool animations at craftuxd.com. Until next time, adios.